we are participating in a Devathon innovation ideas. For that purpose, we have just worked on a small project. Namely, its name is Home Application Controlling using CDM and GSM. Actually, all we know is CDM and GSM are just known as SIMs. But the main difference between the GSM and CDM and the differs in distance, security, and about the message. I mean, packets of message which can be sent. And I worked on the technology of home appliance controlling using GSM. And the main purpose of this project is to control the home applications which are present in a home, like rice cooker, electric, the components which are connected to electricity, like rice cooker, water heater, I mean geyser, and washing machine. They can be just controlled by using a small single remote which is being held in our hand, and we can control this equipments from everywhere within a local region of 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers. For example, I will tell a small example. Just you are working in an office. If you want to go to home and then again you need to come to office, just you need to have a time span of 1 hour. Then you need to cook, you need to have the food, then how to dry the clothes, and then how to use the water. These three things cannot be done within 1 hour. So you can you can just control. So just you can control this those components by using having remote in your hand. I mean, the working of this phone can be controlled as just in your phone. Just you type 001 code, then it will go to the phone which is present in your home. Then it is decoded by using the DTM of decoder, and then it gives the instruction code for the application to be turned on. And then next, if you want to turn on the rice cooker, then just give the code of 002. If you type the 002 code in your phone, you use the mobile, then it will give the instructions to the mobile which is present in the home, and it will decode the data by using DTM decoder and on the electric cooker. Like this example, we can do many things. We can control everything by using a small remote in our hand, and this can be controlled. And the circuits can be shown like yes, it is the DTM of decoder, and it is a receiver, and it's also known as transmitter. Then best, okay. Then just you need to type a button like 1. If you type 1, then it just send the code of 001 to this, and it will DTM or decoder will decode the code 001, and the application which is present on 001 will be on. Like for example, I will use the application 001 for rice cooker. If you type 1, it will send 001 code to the DTM decoder, and the DTM decoder will decode the code, and 001 is present in this decoder, and it will on the rice cooker. Like this process can be done easily. Thank you.